Okay, you guys, so we are going to read these words out today. Remember that we have target vocabulary today from the book that we will be reading later on. So let's look at our vocabulary, and I want you guys to write it down on your notebooks. Okay, so can you read these with me? Lunchroom, library, gym, classroom, teacher, students, bus, school, park, ball, story, snacks. Okay, lunchroom. Do we know what that means?
Yeah. No, like where the kids eat.
Okay, a place where someone eats, okay? Library.
It's where there's a lot of books.
Where we have a lot of books, so it's a place
Library
where
is like
we can go and
library
read.
is like libro.
Kind of. Good job. Gym.
It's where you work out.
Where you can work out. Okay. Classroom.
It's where you learn stuff.
You can learn new things. Teacher.
It's the one
Person
helps.
that teaches.
A person that teaches or a person that helps. Students.
A person that learns.
A person that
Someone that's learning. You guys. Okay. Bus.
It's
a
a
big
school
car.
bus. It's like a car that takes you to school.
Okay, so if we put school bus here, then it is a type of, yes, kind of like a big car that moves people around. School,
School is where we all
Where
have
kids
all
go
that
to learn.
stuff.
where kids go to learn.
All that stuff that we just.
Park,
Is that a park is where you can have fun.
yes, a ball.
Is like basketball or football.
Okay, different kinds of balls, yes? And something round. Story.
Oh, a story is like, well,
It's
you
like
write
a
something
book.
down.
It's like a book has a story in it.
A book has a story in it. Snack.
Where you eat stuff.
Something to eat. Good job. Okay, so looking at our vocabulary here, from our reading that we will be reading, what can you guys predict what the book is going to be about? Where is it going to be at?
A school.
At a school, maybe?
At a
And
museum.
what kind of things is going to be there? At a museum?
Lunchroom.
A museum can have a lunchroom.
There's gonna be a
Yes.
ball.
Okay, there will be some sort of ball. Okay, good. Now, here are some questions that in our book it asks us. So I want you guys to pay attention to the questions. Where? What does this word mean?
Where?
What
It
does it mean?
means where is my pipe?
Okay, so it's going to ask a question of something where we need to know something. Is. We remember we looked at that, and that is into the verb to be, but it can also be made into a question.
Where is?
Like, where is he going?
Or is he at
Like
the
a question.
park? Is he at the park? That is how we make it a question, when we put it in front of the sentence. And then we have the word go.
Go is like where you're at the place and then you go to another place.
Okay, it's where we move somewhere else, right?
Or
Or goes. Okay, go or goes. So how do we use this? I go.
you go.
You
We all go to ice cream.
They go.
We go.
We go.
I go.
We have I. And then we have he
Go.
goes. And she goes. And
We go.
it
Goes.
goes. Okay? So we have our book. And look at what it is. Biscuit goes to school.
Is it
We
gonna be
read
like
a book
Biscuit
about
wants to
Biscuit.
play?
It's kind of the same, yes. But this time I want you guys to pay attention to the word goes and all of this vocabulary that we just looked at, okay? So I want you to listen to the story.
So when we hear go, we raise our hand.
Here comes the school bus. Woof!
School bus.
Woof! A school bus. Stay here, Biscuit. Dogs don't go to school.
Yeah,
Woof.
homeschool.
Go.
Yes. Remember to raise your hand when you see the word go or goes.
Or going?
Where is Biscuit going?
To
Is Biscuit going to the pond? Woof! Is Biscuit going to the park? Woof! Biscuit is going to school. Woof! Woof! Biscuit wants to play ball.
once. Volleyball.
Woof! Woof! Yes, we learned once the last time. Biscuit wants to hear a story. Woof! Woof! Because they are in
The library.
the library. Biscuit wants a snack. Woof! Woof!
Oh, Biscuit.
Oh, Biscuit, what are you doing here? Dogs don't go to school. Where are they at?
School.
Where are they at?
School.
At the lunchroom.
At the lunchroom. Good job. Oh no, here comes the teacher. Woof! Biscuit wants to meet the teacher. Woof! Biscuit wants to meet the class. Woof! Biscuit likes school. Woof! Woof! And everyone at school likes Biscuit. Woof! The end. Did you guys see our new vocabulary in this book?
No.
Yes, so we are going to work on this
But we
vocabulary.
didn't see park.
Yeah, we
or
did.
ball.
Yeah, we
Yes.
did.
We
We
read.
didn't
Park
say
and
story
ball.
though.
Yes.
Yes, Biscuit wants to hear a story.
Uh-huh.
we didn't
Say the gym. We didn't do gym.
Yes.
Yes.
What I want you guys to do is to write these words on your notebooks, and we will work on making some sentences with these words, okay? So that we can create a story later. All right. Good job, you guys. I will let you get working on your notebooks.